Hello everyone, my name is Amber Sargent and here is my presentation on the children's book that I chose for our project. So I chose to work with a book called A Place for Zero by Angeline Lepresti, and which is illustrated by Phyllis Hornung. So I chose this book because this particular book allows for students to be able to recognize and go over number placements from numbers 0 to 10. And for this particular project, I'm focusing on kindergarten, so I thought that that would be perfect. So the summary of this book: the number 0 is lonely in a specific place called Digitaria, where he can't do certain things like play other games that other numbers can, such as add them up, because he doesn't have anything to add because he is 0. So all the other numbers seem to have a place to fit in the place value, but then towards the end, 0 eventually finds that he does have a purpose and that he can participate just in a different way. So if you'd like to listen to the story, you could click here and listen to the story. It's about 10-12 minutes long, but the full-length story is here. And in my lesson plan, I talked about having an exit ticket and homework. So here is the worksheet that I would be using for their exit ticket. And the students will have to use a stamp in their erasers, and they would stamp the numbers that they see down below to create a cookie. So this is called a 0 cookie activity sheet. So the number 0 is here. So then it would get tricky because that means that they should leave this cookie blank without any chocolate chips on it. So this has 2. So then they would stamp 2 chocolate chips on it and so forth. And then at the bottom they would practice drawing the number 0. So the goal of this is to make sure that they understand that 0 means nothing and that nothing should be there. And for their homework, I have a number 0 sheet as well, where they're going to place a marker over the number 0. So they're written different ways and different sizes to kind of throw them off a little bit, but they're going to be able to identify the number 0. And then at the bottom, they will be writing the number 0 again. So thanks for watching.